finally they arrived. You know how much I've been trying to get myself some nice looking summer rims, and I didn't succeed. I wanted another version of bronze, but looking like that. Impossible to get. And I wanted bigger than 18. I wanted 19. "19 seems to be ended in production. You have 18 or 20. But the thing is, with 20 rims on a Ford Transit, the new one, it don't work. They don't have any C-classed rubber that will take the load of the car. So I ended up with black rims, which I normally don't like. But let's put them on the car and judge them after that. I will have an open mind until I see what it is. So let's see the difference. I will put the camera right here and we will shift and see what it looks like. And there you have it. Yeah. Well, I don't know. Not my favorite, but it works. What do you think? I have to drive it a bit now. I can't go home. The clock is 7 in the afternoon and I have done my work for today. I haven't cleaned up, but still I have my camping equipment. I haven't shifted, even though it's working week. I think I go for a spin with my new wheels and do some more fishing. Who can stop me? Nobody. Well, there they are. Fuck me. Big beast, first fish of the year. Oh, it's a huge one. Huge one. And a healthy one. God damn it. Look at this one. Ooh, please don't go. I want to have you pictured. You know how it is. First fish of the year. Ooh, my God. It's a big beast. At least 4 or 5 kilos. It ought to be. It still keeps on. Ooh. Oh, don't go. Let's try to picture it. Close to 100 centimeters. Well, good start of the year. Now let's put it back. That is not gonna die. No, he's not gonna die. He's a quick and he's gone. That was a goddamn beast. Well, after that big pike, I have to take a break and eat something. You know, the energy is getting low and it's time to pack it all up. I mean, new rims, sunny, wonderful day. Soon my son is coming with his girlfriend, so I have to be there with some dinner. So let's unpack. That felt great. So we have a bite here. We'll turn it on. Burn out some old fat. See what today can bring. Maybe it's time to try out the toilet in a few hours. I mean, we're pretty close to the fishing area, and the best thing of all, it has started now. So let's eat and go for some pike fishing. Hopefully some more big ones. Good start today. I have had 3 fishes on that I lost and 1 catch. A big one. Satisfying. 98 centimeter, and I think around 6-7 kilos. It had a really full belly. Not a bad sunset. Looking forward to tomorrow. As usual, Friday. Just lowered the car